Hello, Language Services customers. Welcome to the Language Access Scheduling System, LASS for short. With your assigned username and password, you can request interpreters and document translations. If you have not been assigned a username and password, please contact us at 502-485-7939 or email languageservices@jefferson.kyschools.us. If you already have login credentials, please enter them to begin. If this is the first time you are logging in, it will prompt you to review your information and change the password. Once you log in, select the Schedule Interpreter tab. Choose your JCPS account or location, your department, which is not required, then select Interpreting for Service. Choose OSI for in-person or VIS for scheduled virtual. If virtual, select your meeting platform and add the link over here. Then select the assignment date, which is the event day. You can choose it from the calendar, and the event start time. Add the duration and select the language. Add your event description and any additional information for interpreters. If the request is for multiple recipients, you may skip the individual entries. If it is for an individual, please add name, last name, and student ID or employee ID. As you can see, the address will populate based on the location you selected. If the event is on another site, you may override the address. And please add the building name in the building field, or you can also add it on the additional information for interpreters. Once everything is ready, please submit. You will receive a submitted request notification email with this attachment. Please notice your request number is located on the top right corner. To view all your requests, all incoming, click Today and select a day from the calendar. You can also find an assignment by clicking on Find Assignment and search your number of requests. To cancel, reschedule, or update a request, email languageservices@jefferson.kyschools.us or call 502-485-7939. Thank you for watching.